What's up, my loves? Today we are installing a Sensational Cloud9 What Lace 13x6 unit. This is Jalisa in color Flamboyant Chocolate, my favorite color. As you can see, I already went ahead and plucked it. It has 3 combs, one on the sides and one in the back with the adjustable strap, and of course the breathable cap. As you all know, Sensational What Lace Cloud9s are big head friendly. My head is a big circumference. I think it's 22 or 23 inches around. Yeah, your girl got a dome, but it's okay. Sensational got us covered. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace in a jacket motion, as you can see right here, and then after I'm going to apply some makeup. And really, you guys can just watch the video. It is self-explanatory, and I'll be back at the end of the video just to give my recap and my do's and don'ts. See you then. So ladies, that is pretty much it. As you can see, Jalisa is super cute, everyday style, easy to comb, easy to manage. It's very lightweight. I really have no complaints about this wig. The baby hair is laid down. Very cute. I didn't do too much other than pluck it. I absolutely love this color. It is so complimentary to my skin tone, and the lace just blends so seamlessly. I have no complaints. If you guys want to purchase this wig, you can do so on Amazon. It is only $27. So you definitely need to cop that and add this to your wig collection for your everyday do or business boss babe. This is giving date night with the babe. You know, I absolutely love it. So just showing you guys different styles that I did with this wig, and I'm out. Make sure you guys follow me on here, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram at ChuchiTrain or at Kate Gainer. See you next time.